Angle 345 is one of the most versatile and dominant plays in NBA 2K14.
NBA 2K14 in 2025.
Angle 345 is a pick-and-trade three-point play. It's a triple screen offering 4 scoring options, and it's nearly unstoppable. Take a look at these highlights really quickly, then we'll break it down. This play can be run from other ball handlers, but we're going to just use the standard point guard here. You see, you're going to have this option where you're powered forward. If he's a shooter, he'll leak out in the beginning. He'll also leak out after the pick. He will fade. Right here, you analyze. If you have a driving lane, go for it. You also will have your shooting guard on the wing, so read his defender. If his defender crashes on you for the drive, you kick it out. If he goes to cover that, then your lane should be wide open for driving, but the options don't stop there. As you can see here, you're going to get a pick from your center, and your power forward is going to leak out. Keep an eye on him. But the options, they don't stop there, because if you look to our right in the corner, now you have your small forward sitting there, waiting for the pass. Keep an eye on that defender. This play is so money. And if you are on your team with the right players, a ball handler that can finish, a 2 and a 3 who can shoot, a 4 who can shoot, a 5 who has a lot of strength, has that brick wall badge, this play is so money. You read and you react. Also, if you have a small forward who can cut and finish, sometimes he won't leak out to the corner. He'll cut, you can give him the oop, the pass, the easy under the basket score. Watch it one more time. I got jammed up. Looked like I had a hedge on me. I just kicked it out. We'll watch some more examples of me executing this play. 2K14 is an awesome game. Playing it in 2025 because it is that good. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. There will be more of these money play breakdowns to come. So go ahead and subscribe. And soon enough, you'll be on your way to really enjoying and dominating in 2K14 in the year 2025.
NBA 2K14 in 2025.